Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining in. This is Dylan from the Trinity Gardener channel and I'm so excited you made it for this one. This video is actually a continuation of a video that I did 2 videos ago, which was a garden tour of my little backyard garden here, and this is just going to be a little harvest that we did right after filming that video. It would have been too long to put it all in one video, so we did it in 2 parts. So I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn something new. So you're going to do some harvesting now. I need to get a bigger basket. Trio crow. Here you go. 4 crow. You go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. Nice. Just 3 okra trees and the basket is full. Nice. And we have some more to harvest in the coming days on all trees. Okay, not sure where we're going to put these other okras, but we'll figure it out. Yep. Yeah, this is more than likely hard, but we'll see what we can do. Nice. Good job. Good job.
You have to edit this out.
Oh dear.
It was too hard. It's very hard.
There you go.
I'll pick it, right?
Yeah, for sure. This is the size you're really supposed to pick them. Anything bigger now, you risk having these get hard. Yeah. Okay, basket of okra. This is dinner for probably, how much people? Like
10.
Not 10 people, probably like 6, 7. A big family could eat.
Yeah.
This is a big amount of okra here. Yeah. Could eat this like twice, 3 times. Oh. Tomato. Have to be careful with these tomatoes. No, not right over there. Cherokee purple. Okay. Continue back off. Right. You can cut this stem. Cut from the entire stem, yeah.
Here?
Yeah. There we go. Beautiful. Nice. This is why it's nice to grow heirloom tomatoes. Look at the size of the Cherokee tomato. But this heirloom is really, really nice.
Here.
Getting some pimentos now. Nice and red. Pretty.
Here?
Yeah. So these aren't as big as before, but just look at how nice and radiant the skin is. And all of that from a bucket, right? Literally a bucket on concrete. Yeah. So these are some pimentos from the raised bed now. Yep.
Where are you going back now?
Some more pimentos. Look at the size of these pimentos. They did take some time to form, but when they did, they came with a bang. So big compared to the others. Nice.
Right underneath here.
Right. That to me good.
Yeah, the others are small.
Yeah, they're small. Okay, cool. Alright, come on, Teddy. Nice. Pimentos. On this tree here. We didn't expect anything much from these trees, but they are showing us up. Really happy. Okay, this is our little mini harvest, our little mini garden haul here. Really happy with these okra, pimentos, tomatoes, more tomatoes. Really good. Always happy for every harvest you get. Doesn't matter if it's big or small. And there you have it, a small mini garden harvest, and I'm really glad that you all joined me for it. Remember, it's not always about having so much food that you don't know what to do with. If all you have in your garden is enough for one meal, or enough to make a salad the next day, or enough to maybe just, have some pepper to enhance the food that you already have, then that's enough, and that should be enough to keep you gardening, keep you growing. Remember, if you want to see more pictures of things coming out of my garden, just follow us on Instagram, and there's many pictures and videos always coming out every week. Also, if you know someone who could benefit from this information, someone who might be interested in growing, someone who might be interested in gardening, and they need some encouragement, share this video with them to encourage them to get up and get growing. Remember, this is Dylan from the Trinity Gardener channel reminding you to get up and get growing. Take care.